Happy holidays! Welcome back to my channel. If unfamiliar, my name's Miss Bri. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button under the screen, and let's see what adventure we're going on today. Today we're eating at a Southern celebrity chef's restaurant. The one, the only, Paula Deen! I even got my picture with her. Her restaurant locations are located in South Carolina, Missouri, Tennessee, and Alabama that I know of. Being from Minnesota, this is a new restaurant to us, and I treated my parents for a Christmas gift. Her restaurant has 2 floors with a Southern charm. The bottom floor is a gift shop with apparel, cookbooks, kitchen utensils, and more. The second floor is the dining area. Now hopping on the escalator to the dining area. I hope you brought your appetite. Now we're heading upstairs to the restaurant. Ooh. came hungry. We didn't eat lunch because at Paula Deen's, you eat family style setting. It's endless portions of Southern style entrees, sides, and desserts. The menu and how Paula Deen does it is we eat family style. We are gonna do the 3 home dishes and 4 of Paula's famous sides for the table. We came hungry. Not something you do every day, but a couple times a year it's fun. Our server was really nice. She has been working at Paula Deen's for over 2 years and she loves it. She has actually met the real Paula Deen, not the cardboard version. She said Paula Deen is a very warm and friendly person who can just walk up and talk to anyone.
For 3 of our meats. This is our meat selection. So you do 2 or 3 of these, you can do 4 of our sides. I'm bringing it out and put it in the middle of your table like you do when you have a big old family get together, and as long as you're here, I'm going to keep feeding you. So if you get fried chicken in the beginning and you want more fried chicken, I'll bring you out more fried chicken. Only I can't do is switch it up to ribs or something like that. So what you start with is what you're going to finish with. Okay? Alright. I have absolutely nothing to go in the building as far as those are concerned. Only you'll leave with is what's in your belly.
Okay, sounds good.
What are you looking forward to trying?
I think all the food sounds really amazing. I think the side dishes are something that I'm probably more excited about. I'm a big fan of Paula Deen's. So I've been wanting to come to a Paula Deen restaurant for a long time.
How about you, Dad? What are you looking forward to trying?
The main courses. Catfish is new to me, so I'm excited to try that catfish. And then, of course, the sides are all good. So, and dessert. I love dessert.
Right. Chicken and dumplings right here. So this is our beef pot roast.
That looks good.
Macaroni and cheese. Here's a side of the dressing. This is a corn casserole. Candied yams, and personal favorite, the catfish. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. In this circle of food, starting at the top, going clockwise, we have mac and cheese, we have tossed salad, catfish with tartar sauce, beef pot roast with rice, candied yams, corn casserole, poppy seed dressing for the salad on the side, and in the center, creamed potatoes. Ooh, and you can't forget the cheesy biscuits. What a great Southern treat. And to top it off, we had ooey gooey butter cake for dessert. Paula Deen travels to each one of her restaurant locations every 6 months. And if you are eating at one of her restaurants during that time, you may catch a glimpse of her. If you are near one of her restaurant locations, make sure to go check it out with your family and friends and get a taste of her Southern cooking. But remember, come hungry. Well, happy holidays! Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.